Hello there, friends. Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Thursday, so that means it's time for Mail Day Thursday. If you're new to my channel, Mail Day Thursday is something I started at the beginning of 2022 to help remind myself to mail out these cards that I make, and also to help remind others to get those cards out of the boxes or wherever you store them and mail at least one each week. I think especially in today's world, we need to spread that cheer as much as we can. So make sure that you get one out and mail it off today. All the information is in the description box below. If you would like me to send you a card, I do have a link to a Google form that I'd love to have you fill out, and I will get a card to you just as soon as I can. Like I said, everything's in the description box below. So on to the cards that I will be sending out this week. I have this fairy one here with a flower, and it says, "May only good things come your way every moment of today." And it's blank on the inside. There's a cloud background. I love to make clouds. Next up, this one says, "Enjoy the journey." Her wings are very, very sparkly. When I grabbed these out, they must have been made about the same time, because there's some clouds with that one too. That big old tortoise. And then blank on the inside. And then the last one that I'll be mailing out this week is Sprinkled with Love. And it's got shiny frosting and some sparkle, some sequins there. That one is a not too shabby digital stamp. This one is from the Paper Shelter digital stamp. And then this one was from Some Odd Girl, which Whimsy Stamps is selling their digital images. I'm not sure if this is one of those that's available there or not. I was also very fortunate. I haven't done a Mail Day Thursday in a couple weeks due to the loss of my father, but I was very fortunate to receive a lot of cards over those 2 weeks, so let's get on to those. If you follow me at all, you know that my stamping idol is Amy Young. I absolutely positively love her work. She's the artist behind Sweet November Stamps, and I just think she is simply amazing. Every once in a while, she gives away her cards. And another fun fact about me is that I love cows. I think that they have the most sweetest faces. And we used to have an event at the Omaha Zoo here, and it was Moo at the Zoo. And I absolutely loved it because you got to go and you got to see the cows. You could pet some of them. Loved it. So when she posted this card, I went crazy. I think it's beyond adorable, and I was so excited when she mailed it off to me. So there's my cow card, and her coloring is just amazing. So yes, there's that first one. Also, Amy sent me this one. When you order from her store, Sweet November Stamps, if you order the clear stamps, typically you receive a handmade card with every order. And this was the card that I received with my order this last time for their new release. How stinking cute. And there's some shimmer on the little bow, and look at those little duckies there, her little chicks, and oh yeah, just love it. Next up, I got this wonderful one from Gloria, who happens to be Crafty Al's mom. I had sent her a card, and I love this one. I love succulents, so this was perfect. It really brightened my day. I also received this one from Karen, and I love the different size. I still haven't gone into making a bigger card, but seeing this one has kind of inspired me, so I might try to make a 5x7 card soon. But those plants, and it just brightened my day as well. Next up, I got this beautiful card from my friend Jean, and I thought it was just the nice touch of comfort that came at a good time, because it definitely brightened my day. Thank you, Jean. Next up, I got this card from Teresa of Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, And I love the like foiled foliage there, and the flowers and the little bling and just the layout. And yeah, another one that just made me smile. And then next up was from a new friend. I had sent her one for Mail Day Thursday, and she sent me this gorgeous, gorgeous card. Her name is Dina. And the fact, I've seen people do it, or I've heard of people doing it, but I've never like seen it in person. This is a napkin. I mean, my mind was just kind of blown. And she ran it through an embossing folder, so it does have like some texture to it. But then this little cute bunny, and it just blows my mind that this is actually a napkin that made this gorgeous, gorgeous card. And I like the little strip of paper on the, or napkin on the inside. So this was super, super cute. And I'm just so fascinated that it was made out of a napkin. Very, very cool. And then last but not least, I got this beautiful card from my friend Rachel. And it's really hard to see probably on camera, but there's some sunflowers that are heat embossed on it. So in the right light, you can kind of see those sunflowers. Really, really pretty. And it just, another one that brightened my day. So thank you so much to everyone who took the time to send me a card. It really helped me smile a little bit more during the past couple weeks. I will get these in the mail soon. Again, if you haven't filled out my Google form down below so I can have your address, I would love for you to do that so that I can mail you a card. All right, until my next video, I hope you have an amazing day. And remember, get out there and mail at least one card. Thanks for stopping by.